Accidents are often caused by their batteries exploding and electric vehicles burning. Some were trapped in the blaze and lost their lives, while others were injured. Recently reported in media, electric vehicle driver was killed and 3 others were seriously injured. It is better to take precautions before you ride electric vehicles safer. The purchase of eco-friendly electric vehicles EV, has increased significantly in recent times. Many youngsters are purchasing electric vehicle and booking best travel electric bike. Why do the original EV batteries explode? What precautions to take to prevent electric vehicle accidents? Things are so serious and it's time to talk about safety precautions for electric vehicles. Before jump into the topic, we request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. First, look at the reasons for the explosion of batteries in electric drive vehicles. What kind of batteries are used in electric vehicles? The lithium-ion batteries in EV have about 100 to 200 cells. Differences in the way they are packaged in the battery can cause them to explode. A short circuit inside the battery can also cause an explosion. Defective cells in batteries or defects in battery design. Uncontrolled power to the battery while charging. Faults in wiring, differences in fuel line. Charging beyond the specified time. Leaving the charging overnight. If the vehicle is charged immediately after washing, the socket will be damaged. The battery warms up well before it explodes. Then come the fumes and fires. Do not charge beyond the average time. Charging should be stopped if it feels overheated. Sometimes fluctuations in power supply can cause the battery to overheat. Now look at the safety precautions for electric vehicles to take. Do not store EV for long time in too much sun and too cold weather. Only original and authorized chargers should be used for charging. Batteries should be kept away from flammable materials. Keep batteries at room temperature. If the battery casing is damaged and water enters in it, immediately put it aside and inform the dealer immediately for replacement. Keep the battery and charger in a clean, dry, well-lit place. Lithium-ion batteries heat up well while charging. It should be checked frequently. Battery should never be 100% charged. Should not be left entirely. Make sure the charging is between 20 to 80%.